Welcome to the Raspberry Pi course for beginners. I'll show you how to install and configure a Raspberry Pi Model 3B Plus and much more. Since its release, I have been enthusiastic about everything about the Raspberry Pi and what you can do with it. In this course, I would like to make the collected knowledge and my experiences available to beginners and newcomers. Raspberry Pi for Beginners is an introductory course for users who would like to have a simple and understandable introduction in order to get started quickly. In the course, I will show all the basics of Raspberry that are necessary for operation. I will explain step by step how to perform the installation process and how to work with the Raspberry and its applications for the first time. And later I will even show some small programming projects with sensors. Since I want to introduce you to the Raspberry Pi as soon as possible, we will first discuss the history and background of the Raspberry Pi. Then I explain all currently available models, the technical data, interfaces, interesting projects, available operating system, and then easily implementable software projects and small programming. At the end, I'll tell you a few of my favorite projects to imitate. After completing the course, you have learned so much about Raspberry Pi that you can set up a Raspberry independently and become creative with your own projects. With a little courage and talent, you can teach other Raspberry beginners after the course. This course is aimed at fresh Raspberry beginners who want to build or expand their knowledge. The course is designed for beginners who are just starting out with the Raspberry and beginners who want to learn more. If your goal is to use the Raspberry Pi to implement future projects for your everyday or professional life, then the course is perfect for you. Thank you very much for your interest in this Raspberry Pi course. I hope I have made you curious. If you'd like to learn more about the Raspberry Pi now, check out another free video. See you soon.